my village. The name of my village is Dovan. It is located in the southwest part of Palpa district. It is one of the most beautiful villages of the district. It is surrounded by beautiful green forests and high hills. There are about 50 families in my village. The people are from different castes and communities. Most of the people follow Hindu religion and some are Christian as well. They celebrate various festivals like the Saipiyat, Peace, Christmas, etc. It is very clean and clear. The people are simple, honest, hardworking and helpful, so I love my village very much.